Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards easily. Creating handmade cards is a wonderful way to show you care, and it doesn't have to be complicated. We'll cover everything from selecting your basic supplies to adding those special finishing touches. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can craft a heartfelt card for any event, whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, or just a simple thank you. Let's get started on your creative journey. To begin, you'll need a few essential items. Start with good quality cardstock, which forms the base of your card. A sturdy pair of scissors and a reliable adhesive, like a glue stick or double-sided tape, are crucial. For decoration, think about patterned papers, a few versatile stamp sets, and ink pads in various colors. Small embellishments such as ribbons, buttons, or even glitter can add a lovely touch. Don't forget a scoring tool for perfectly folded cards every time. Now for some easy design techniques. A common card size starts with an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of cardstock, folded in half to create a standard A2 size card. Try layering 2 or 3 different patterned papers, cut to slightly varying sizes, to build a background. Then, choose a central image or a heartfelt sentiment to stamp, making it the focal point. For an extra pop, use foam adhesive to raise certain elements, giving your card a three-dimensional look. The final step is adding those special finishing touches and personalizing your creation. A tiny bow, a few sparkling sequins, or even a small die-cut shape can elevate your card's appearance. Most importantly, handwrite a thoughtful message inside. This personal touch makes your card truly unique and cherished. Using a fine-tip pen can help ensure your handwriting looks neat and consistent. Once complete, simply place your beautiful, handmade card into an envelope, ready to brighten someone's day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.